Coming home to a clean house is an amazing feeling. But getting and keeping your home clean, as I'm sure you already know, is quite the challenge, especially if you have children or pets around. Then there's your hectic schedule and responsibilities that also makes it difficult to keep your home looking amazing. But don't worry, you can get on with your life, and you can now enjoy your free time with our professional house cleaning services. Licensed, insured, and trusted by many satisfied homeowners. With our company, we understand that your home is a place unlike no other. It's a place of security, safety, peace, and relaxation. And having it fresh and clean makes the experience even more enjoyable. So, if you're ready to experience a remarkably clean home with our quality and friendly service, then give us a call today. We look forward to hearing from you.